Okay, here we are guys in Little India town, Bangkok, where you can buy lots of food, obviously, fabrics. Let's take a look. So I've seen a few of these dessert shops since coming down this road. Let's just take a look at some of them. Yeah, these look pretty good, huh? Take a look over here. This one here is one of my favorites. I forgot the name of it. Yum. These go for about 50 cents, I think, for one piece. Okay, and we've got some kind of snacks over here. So I think I'm going to buy a few now, and I'll come back with more videos soon. Okay, so let's keep walking because I've heard there's a really good samosa place on the corner. You can see a lot of these sweet places pass by. Okay. Very colourful, isn't it? Going down. Okay, pretty much every shop, they all kind of sell the same stuff. Candles and vegetables and things. Okay, I think at the corner here is where we get the street food samosas. Let's take a look. More of these sweets. Oh yeah, here it is. It's very popular. So I'm going to take 5 pieces. Let's take a look at this. Samosa, tiki, some other things. Okay, so I've got my samosas now. I'm coming to a really good vegetarian little restaurant here in the Soy, which I normally go to, which is excellent, very good prices. He just makes a few dishes every day, and we'll come back and get a vegetable curry. But in the meantime, we'll walk down to another place I like, called Tony's, which is beside the canal here. So this is the real deal with Indian food around here, guys. It's not a touristy area at all. This is where I like to go. Tony's restaurant. All very reasonably priced dishes. $4, $2, things like that. And this little street here has a few of these restaurants, but Mama restaurants here. But I like Tony's, so I think I'll stick with Tony's. You can see further down there's some fabric shops by the canal. So it's a really nice place to sit and have something to eat here. So I'm going to go look at the menu and see what I can get. Okay, so right next door to Tony's is another one, Mama Kitchen, I think, Mama Restaurant, and we've ordered Pani Puri, I think it's called, which go for 30 cents each. We've heard they're very good. So we will see soon what they look like. Okay guys, so it's ready and we've got a Indian tea to go with it. Look at that, huh? Looks pretty good. Okay guys, we've got all our food takeaway and taking a stroll now. I think it's a bit late to start looking at fabrics and things like that, but next time I'll show you something. There's a nice bit of artwork over here, I see. That's pretty cool. It's just a really nice atmosphere down here in the afternoon. I've always found Indian people very friendly and nice. Okay. So if you want all your fabrics and clothes, go down there. 100 baht is for one of these trousers, these kind of hippie pants. It's about $4. Okay, we'll go down here. Obviously you can get Thai food around here, but I always come here for the India, seeing you can't get Indian in most Thai areas. And back on the main road. Okay, so now I'm going to a Thai barbecue on the river, and I'll save my Indian food for possibly tomorrow. You'll be able to see a video of the Thai barbecue very shortly. Okay, thanks for watching so far.